In continuation to the previous lecture, today we will start organic pollutants. The organic compounds which are discharged from industries and other sources change pH of water drastically and also change dissolved oxygen, biochemical oxygen demand and produce several byproducts which pollute the water or water sources. The pesticide, fungicides, bactericide, etc. are the organic substances which are mainly used for killing of small insects, but they persist in nature for a long time, and due to their non-biodegradable nature, they create serious water pollution, complication and enhance biochemical oxygen demand, while in drinking water this value should be zero. Thus, these non-biodegradable substances make the water unfit for human beings permanently or for a very long time. The biodegradable substances such as proteins, oils, carbohydrate, starch, sugars, fat, food, materials, etc. also pollute the water, although their effects are temporary in nature. Thousands of different natural and synthetic organic chemicals are used in the chemical industries to make pesticides, plastics, pharmaceuticals, pigments, and other products that we use in everyday life. Many of these chemicals are highly toxic. Exposure to very low concentration can cause birth defects, genetic disorders, and cancer. Some can persist in the environment because they are resistant to degradation and toxic to organisms that ingest them. The two principal sources of toxic organic chemicals in water are: first is improper disposal of industrial and household wastes, and second is pesticide runoff from farm fields, forests, roadsides, golf courses, and private lawns. The EPA estimates that about 5 lakh metric tons of pesticides are used in United States each year. Much of this material washes into the nearest waterway where it passes through ecosystems and may accumulate in high level in non-target organisms. The bioaccumulation of DDT in aquatic ecosystems was one of the first of these pathways to be understood. Dioxins and other chlorinated hydrocarbon molecules that contains chlorine atoms, have been shown to accumulate to dangerous level in the fat of salmon, fish-eating birds and humans, and to cause health problems similar to those resulting from toxic metal compounds. Hundreds of millions of tons of hazardous organic wastes are thought to be stored in dumps, landfills, lagoons, and underground tanks. Many, perhaps most, of these sites have leaked toxic chemicals into surface water or groundwater or both. The EPA estimates that about 26,000 hazardous waste sites will require cleanup because they pose an imminent threat to public health, mostly through water pollution. Pesticides pollutants. The use of pesticide has increased all over the world due to man's desire to increase the production of grains and other agricultural products. These compounds, when sprayed on plants to kill harmful pests and weeds, percolate through soil and get dissolved in soil water, thus polluting it. The compounds like DDT, BHC, andrine, heptachlor, and toxaphene are also washed down with rainwater and find their way to sea through rivers and streams. The compounds accumulate in the bodies of aquatic plants and animals. Some amount of pesticides is also found in the milk of cow, in the vegetable and in egg besides other eatable things. Pesticides in an all-inclusive term of pesticides, herbicides, weedicides, etc. The pesticide include a variety of organic and inorganic compounds. The modern pesticides consist of 5 following group. First is chlorohydrocarbons, example DDT, aldrin, andrine. Second is carbamates. Third is organophosphorus compound. Fourth is inorganic pesticides includes compounds of lead or arsenic, mercury, chlorine, HCN, lead arsenate, sodium arsenite. And fifth is naturally occurring pesticides are rolinone, nicotine and petroleum derivatives. Agricultural pollutants. Agricultural water pollution is caused by fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides, farm animal wastes and sediments. In recent years, use of chemical fertilizers has increased manifold. The Green Revolution of India is a reflection of the increased use of fertilizers. The chemicals used in fertilizers enters the groundwater by leaching and the surface water by running off. The nitrate, when mixed with water, may cause methemoglobinemia in infants. Incidences of nitrate poisoning are also there in livestock. The plant nutrients nitrogen and phosphorus are reported to stimulate the growth of algae and other aquatic plants. The use of various types of pesticides and insecticides in agriculture is also one of the cause of water pollution. Their presence in water is highly toxic to man and animals because all these have a high persistence capacity, that is, their residues remains for long periods. The farm animal waste often pose serious problem of odor and water pollution. These wastes also contain pathogenic organisms which get transmitted to humans. Sediments of soil and mineral particles washed out from fields also cause water pollution. They fill streams, channels, and reservoirs and reduce the sunlight available to aquatic plants. Detergent pollutants. The detergent cause serious pollution in water resources as they contain phosphate. The phosphates are responsible for the growth of algae which deplete the dissolved oxygen. When algae die, they release their components, inorganic and organic substances, back into water, and so become polluted themselves. Generally, they give amino acids and ammonia in water.